Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to turn off a Xiaomi Redmi Note 12 series. If we look at the right side of our mobile, we will see that there we have the different buttons. To turn off our phone, we will keep a few seconds press the button that corresponds to the on and off, under volume. Press and hold the power button for a few seconds, even if the wizard appears. Then, we will see that different options appear. In this case, we click on the power off option. Click again on the power off option to confirm the action. After tapping, the phone will turn off completely. To turn on our phone again, we will only have to press and hold the power button again, and we will see how the Xiaomi phone starts. Release the button when you see the Xiaomi logo. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.